Hello viewers, in this tutorial I am going to share with you how to fix Rosalia font not showing your Instagram. Okay, let's start. Tap and hold your Instagram. Now scroll down. Click on storage. Then click on clear cache. Okay, then back. Click on Play Store. Click on search. Check update your Instagram. My Instagram is already updated. Okay, let's open it. Then click on your story. Click on item. Then click on Rosalia font. Writing your story, Rosalia font. By doing this process, you can successful. If you found this video helpful, please subscribe to my channel. Thank you.